Meaning of Hever Castle.
Hever Castle.
Hever Castle.
Hever Castle.
Hever Castle. Hever Castle is a historic castle located in the village of Hever, Kent, England. Originally built in the 13th century, it was later expanded and modified in the Tudor style during the 16th century. It is most well known for being the childhood home of Anne Boleyn, one of the wives of King Henry VIII. Today, the castle is a popular tourist destination featuring beautiful gardens, a lake, a maze, and various exhibitions and events throughout the year. It is a significant historical landmark that offers visitors a glimpse into the life and times of the Tudor era.